One of the most typically Neapolitan scenes in all of Italian comedy cinema. In Luciano De Crescenzo's 1984 film Così parlò Bellavista, the professor's uncle walks into La Rinascente department store in Milan and tries to get a 2,000 lire discount on a toaster that costs 32,000 lire. For him, a discount is not a commercial favor, it is an act of love. It is the way in Naples you personalize the relationship. You recognize the other person, and you refuse to accept the impersonal rule. Faced with fixed prices, he does not surrender. He invents the story of the broken toaster, of the toast with provola and ham that caught fire, and in the end, he plays his ace. I am a friend of Mrs. Rinascente. The scene puts two Italies face to face: Naples, where everything is relationship and the art of getting by; Milan, where the rule, efficiency, and it cannot be done reign. De Crescenzo shows them with irony, without ever saying who is right. Let me tell you how the scene unfolds. The uncle picks up the toaster, looks at it, turns it over, sees the price, and asks the salesgirl, "Miss, this toaster would cost 32,000 lire. Now, he who asks makes no mistake. Could I pay 30,000, a round figure?" The salesgirl replies, "I'm sorry, sir. At La Rinascente, we only practice fixed prices." The uncle insists, "Yes, I know, but just this once." I say, "Couldn't we make an exception?" He insists so much that she calls the department manager for advice. Then he tells her the whole story. "You should know that I already have this toaster at home. It's just that it broke. This morning I wanted to make myself a toast with provola and ham. I plugged it in. Psst, it flared up and went out. Fortunately, I saved the ham. Now they asked me 20,000 lire to repair it. Put yourself in my shoes. Is it better to have the old toaster fixed or to buy a new one? But if you, at this point, give me a small discount, then we cut the bull's head, I stop thinking about it, and I buy the new toaster." The manager says, "Do as you think best, but we cannot give discounts." And the uncle, playing his last card, "But I am also a friend of Mrs. Rinascente." She answers, "There is no Mrs. Rinascente." He replies calmly, "She exists, she exists, only she doesn't know it." They didn't give him the discount, but from that day on, every time he went back to La Rinascente, they called him the friend of Mrs. Rinascente. This is one of those scenes that make you laugh and think at the same time. De Crescenzo never tells you which Italy is better. He simply shows you both, with affection and irony. If you enjoyed this explanation, leave a like and subscribe. In the comments, tell me, which side are you on, the discount or the fixed price?